Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So your girl's birthday today. Happy birthday to me. Yes. I wake up to this lovely video from my son and I'm feeling thankful, grateful and blessed on my birthday. This means a lot to me. That's to show that my son is taking consideration in all our activity that we do and our memories will instill in him for years and years and years to come.
Somebody Anandos, I'm not cook no food. One mother's there, I'm not cook no food.
What's it called? Take it up.
Don't you didn't know about that video, me? You can't.
Show them. Hey, what? Hey, what? Go on, girl. Hey, go on, girl. Wanna show them. Oh yeah. Wanna, sorry. Take the back. Walk side. Oh yeah. You wanna walk? Show them the walk. Come. 3, 2, 1. Hey, let me see you. Come here, let's go. 3. Come here, for me. 3, 2, 1. Let me see you. Wow. Yeah, you can talk. You can talk. Come again?
The dress cheap and then the shoes there. Make it make sense. I don't think they understand the assignment. So I went to a birthday party and guess what? They did my hair. Who goes to birthday party and people do their hair? Oh, Alicia. I transform because my hairstyle.
What more you talk, sir?
I don't know. Easy.
One.
Me, I go get something cheesy. We go in on me belly.
Come again.
Alicia is a DJ. Back on the class now, no subject.
Come again.
No.
Come again.
Turn it for fun.
Come again.
She's
Come again.
in a Timberland. She never knows that me a island girl.
Wait.
1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door.
Go again. Yeah. Hey. Oh, you look so on the bling.
I'm going out for dinner.
Why not step back. Show them the outfit. Yeah.
Going out.
What that necklace? Tell them, Chanel. Tell them.
Going out for dinner.
Oh, you mean?
Stop.
Oh.
Do you know what staff mean?
I don't know.
Working with people.
Oh.
snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Yes, that's no.
Let it
Get up. Get up, mommy.
No, me go drop.
Mommy, you're not gonna drop. I'm not gonna let you drop, mommy. You're not gonna let you drop, mommy.
pull me.
Mommy, I swear to God, I'm not gonna let you drop.
Don't pull me.
Mommy, come.
No, wait.
Come.
I can't even get
Come,
up.
mommy, yeah.
No.
Mommy, don't do that now. Come. Yeah, see? No.
Scott.
Get up. Yeah. You're afraid? Get up.
Can't manage me.
That's it.
No, I can't manage this blood clot. I'm so idiot. People, I can't even stand up. My foot are galang, so. Does that make sense?
No, why you going? See, look.
Dead.
No. Straighten the legs. Come on. Yeah. No.
I'm dead.
Come.
No, I'm dead.
Yeah, see, hold it to me. You're drunk.
I don't think
Go on. Yeah. Moment, you have this.
Me I go drop.
Alright. Alright, go on, yeah. Go on, fine. No, hold it to match your hand, no. Hold it to yeah, so I can hold it. Just like that. Shine straight up yourself. Yeah. Go on. Yeah, no? See, you're going there? Look, just like that. I'll just drag you. You just stay still. It's easy to get movement. That better? No. Breathe. Relax yourself. You're overthinking it. Don't worry. Turn.
No, we need to go back.
Turn.
Go to dad. I think it down. No, Dina, stop. I'm gonna drop me.
Alright, go ahead. They're good. Yeah.
So people don't scared. We can't do
Turn
this.
around.
I'm scared.
Yeah. Wait. Hey. Let class. Hope for 3 grand. Yeah. Hope for 3 grand. Huh? Anna? Yeah. Wait. Get caught. Good. Hey, get sturdy. Hey. Good. Hey, get sturdy. Hey.
He'll come again.
Wait. Yeah, two step. Yeah. Yeah, man.
You can blood clot one with the ugly self.
Moment.
Actually, you look like me now.
Oh, so if me okay, are you okay too?
Blood clot with the girl. I'm a son. Oh,
Yeah, conquer. Rewind.
me a blood clot pretty girl. I'm a son and son
Oh.
to the cow. Wait there.
What are you looking for?
You go back so go around so and park over this. When me done, me come.
Aye.
Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, guys. Bye.